What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water. Hi. Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of
Yo, where was your for a church will be a name Mandajra must say a different you do be a say. Answer I wish you made in Arsenal, your fancy there, I say. The bomb of us because my Jumaday at a bois or mine, no matter be at a supporting CSF and Wise Africa Youth wait TV and when they go so wait before HL will be there. Abraham Dodu Kwame Asante Bafojan, Ichemu in Kofi Babu Donko or US with the Ocean Michel and I think Messachia Ahmed Farah, yeah, Ahmed Farah, Michel so. HOB Biara or supporting CSF and the West Africa Youth. Obi Biara Africa Awakened Youth. Obia or sorry, sir, or sorry. Now I come aji be my Biara and check I say Emma Sanko for no. Ya fighting say you be united. Said the Baya, ya or my bafa and my pa ne Efra. Unity a most important thing. Say or my Biara or per se or the impunto in the sono. Oman and you call a different unity and punto if I say in Gabo, Oshana and you call. Adia Biano say unite here, it be Adiano, and perfect chance we don't have with them. And I say, Wise Africa Youth, Omoto Zafre CSF camp, now you're supporting the movement of CSF movement, Common Sense Family. Yes, supporting a movement no effort to my partner Efra. Yobiati, Alabama da Blinks, Yechiao, Edijemfi, Kumasi, Yechiao, and a Yechia, Brapami, Obo, Miriam Brapami, Kumasi, Stivo, Michia, so Asafo, Moshe, and then they share videos. What about you made the so yes, share video, yes, now, share video, the video, and that topic in the scientific lies in the Quran and the Bible. And also when you pay Jimebre, Sadia and Ra, when you see Eden, Yetobia, Massa 4, Ashama 4, Accra 4, fans, baby, I must share a Palm Central Region, Winnibas, Obibia, also supporting Common Sense Family and the Wise Africa Youth, CSF camp for Obia, Yadamasi, CSF camp on the CSF camp, you may have say, yes, supporting no correct, Afram Bemoshe movement and get into which your father a CSF, a movie is a area, ye Kobi and the Yatia, no, baby, we are fighting for division, ye Kobi and Yatia, a Wise Africa Youth TV, and on my boss, on by my platform because of my teaching, say, yes, so you put the effort, sir, on my support, on my can. A Kuanua, a Beboa, a pushy Common Sense Family Movement now. Ye penny Abraham Bemoshe, or Dano, ye promote Jumedian Apogee into CSF Nibiala, Mesramo. We are not your Yana Pabacon, CSF, your Tamoji and then Yana Pabacon into the AJ t shirt, CSF camp. A dirty West in the air, dirty West, a man of Fona, so Fona, Sabi previous. Omun person be free debate no mbedi nsamfo na ya che omo na ya yomu adwuma yes we ya malam we ya sofo we onimdifo bi na so wa ben wo se de ye kan ya boa we ya den telephone number ne go 0541175155 wo fra ye hia wo se ya boa wo so wo boa na ya hwehwem na bebi no kora da ne ya da ye de ato and then Yeah, last time me pamocho ye nua Abraham opportunity TV stations she was some program no no tender TV bigger quest dey host yasram mama ya supporting movement no na common sense family fa no ntoma pa efra ana afa so Kingdom TV yasram Thursdays and a Friday
Monday, Wednesday.
Now the Kingdom TV there. I'm sorry, week.
Yeah, Monday, Thursday.
Monday to Thursday, Kingdom TV. 1 o'clock, almost at the 30 1 hour, almost at the 30 minutes cry then. Happy so into Yasram 1 o'clock, no BR our time BR at the TV station, we cheap TV station that to Kingdom TV. Now I share now and also Abwa now yate Adenasi. CSF, Yenisika. You better to a TV station, private TV stations, like I say, into opportunity biara, yen penny, Avram Bemoshe Benyano, yan supporting the name pushing message, no. Now, for young one, none and some kind of TV station, no. Answer another topic, no, so no. Ebusia for midway yard, Ebusia for Nina, Yasram, CSF4, Wise Africa Youth, Baby Obia Shebiara, Yasram. Ya pese yakot radio station ya no omu guso kasa se ebrane abiwe program no mo kire se ebia date say na yanko anase sika say no mbaje a ya baba betudwa na nso maboa ya ni yetumi e message no akọ radio so yasra mo me ne wo na ye share o Facebook de bia no ye message ni yate ase aka ye maame no ene ye papa no ene ye nuanom nketo no hugu nkurase no hwe Mamenka me life story kakra enchiram what dey me dey share today but me can sample one bi later my baba become life story achire me I was born a Christian, I became a Muslim and I'm free in Kremosum just because of common sense family na me chama dey bi me papa owo me ba wi ase your friend Mr. Samuel Achampong or your software or your software and your software ketwa otiapa nkasa yes your software do omo or match to cast no wait see fie no mo toto anwanti o ye le bunipa en san kofo ni bi me pa o ye evangelist only Bible mu but ye be teachings we ba beginning massa some kind ye fa hu a it wouldn't be and ye easy me nua keto be te me nche ha ono edu sometime a eduane ye de ba me na edimpo ati so kaso Jesus bi ansa na me eduane bi. It wasn't easy. Say, I saw for mba. You say no. Jesus obi de babunyan, Yankopon obi de babunyan, Allah omo da bada dan. Na ya ba bold na ya kire. Me ka ja studio e den ya be studio akra. Hwe me papa ana ode dan ni che me. Say no, we hu say Bible no omo da no. We hu tie ni yebum to be support yen. Inti e wo man no machines bi wa ye use kura na speaker ye use wa ene na maketikiti bi wa ye me papa na nkasa na na ma odi teachings ana ode ye de ode support ye so we say no o mo de Bible na bada dan na kura ye nka that pro I will invite my father na wa batana show you so na wa kasa na wa wati eno na nchen inti ye support Abraham afa ni yamra topic no so ene me bachelor scientific lies in the Quran scientific lies and true egu Quran any science ebebra contradict science Quran no mamenka se minchiram incredible ina gidi say Quran no eye Nyankopon enumasam one thing me person obia ti ase say Nyankopon he is all knowing all wise all potent everything Nyankopon ni bibiala oye unlimited being Nyankopon no oye unlimited being no wa bo wiase ni ewie na o kan wiase wansam a kira prophet Muhammad na wa ye mistake and na kira obi ubehu ya kasa scientific lie then a scientific lie and tura and science asama a contradict science scientific lie anything that contradicts the study of science is scientific lie. One, science is the method, science is the method of obtaining or getting knowledge through observation, experimentation, and analysis. In the case of science, analysis, you analyze it in Nema, you didn't see Nemini, you use a general. Check it. Science means logic and reasoning. What the adjective to Niamana, no one said no. I do and okay, and I say, Yanokre. And then I found science. and experimentation woyɛ experiment science Quran aka bibi sɛ ade na yɛ nokora na wayɛ experiment sɛ yɛ nokora na wɔn sɛ Allah ni na ɔka yɛ na wayɛ na yɛ nokora ntɛnɛ mede nsɛm a Quran akeka yɛde bɛ compare science na wɔn sɛ sabi previous sɛ Allah ana ɔbɔ ɔkyerɛ n'enum asam ana ebu Quran no mu a me magye atum only when kremoni bia bɛyɛ honest na waka sɛ Allah na ɔbɔ wiase no ɔno na ɔbɔ wiase but onim science sɛ ɔgyegye sɛ Allah nim science na ɔno na ɔde Quran na ba yɛ da magye atum sɛ ɔka kyerɛ sɛ Allah nim science ɔno na ɔbɔ wiase nneɛma nyinaa all knowing omniscient omnipotent all powerful God a wabɔ wiase a ne wura mfi adeɛ na wabɔ wiase awie na ɔka wiase na ɔbɔ yɛ no wansam akyerɛ prophet Muhammad na wati ebusuafo ɛyɛ wosam ɔmo de Bible ɛne Quran brɛ yɛn no yɛsra mo ɔmo de gidie ɛna ɛka kyerɛ yɛn adeɛ bia so wogidie a wotumi bisa question because yɛde te sɛ wo nkwala birima na wunyi wode nyi nti yɛn ɛyɛ yɛbɛka ne sɛn ɛyɛ adesua mu yɛwɔ nkwala bi wɔ a ɔmo yɛ intelligent from beginning yɛwɔ akwala bi wɔ a yɛwo no na ɔyɛ intelligent bɛn so wa start bisa questions nti ebisa ɛna ɛma yɛ bɛn sɛ no adeɛ no ɔmo dada yɛn wɔ religion bi ma wɔ religion mu but bisa question use your reasoning power mama book and limit wɔ ability of thinking mama book and limit adeɛ a ebe waju me say ubisa ade ebe waju me say woye no book ka tell say men ya pacha use the reasoning power to check it into busianfo and ye be ko Quran mu na Quran no na me chama de bi enkrebofo ina gitu say Quran no ono akasa kan say Quran no ya prescribe ya preserve ewo fansa nyankopon chen nti Quran chapter 85 verse 21 ebusiafo Quran 85 verse 21 yankan Quran ni yankan Quran sa de tie every Allah nchen ekinye bi enu but they be compare science na yache Quran chapter 85 verse 21 kan
Quran chapter 85 verse 81
Arabic word bi so aya comment Quran chapter 85 verse 21 kan
in the name of Allah the most gracious the most merciful
in the name of Allah the most gracious and the most merciful
now this is a gracious Quran.
This is glorious and gracious.
This is a glorious Quran.
This is a glorious Quran. Inscribed
in Al-Lu.
In the
Al-Lu. Al-Mahfuz. The preserved tablet.
And just a Quran, a glorious Quran. You preserve it. Preserve tablet Allah wa preserve tablet na ya preserve no ya the photocopy abagana I say ya the photocopy abama Arab and I rabra prophet Muhammad ya ko sade wo Quran mu no eno na e wo soro wana nsam na wo mu no iwi aba bisa wo kristoni sa ansam we e wo Quran na da soro mu e da soro wo ni ya check say Allah onim science and asa onim science Quran ya starting ebusuafo jiwasum papa na for pen and paper na check it na me Bible commando me dada wonje hwe me bia wani ya kan Quran ti first time Quran chapter 51 verse 49 shade
Quran chapter 51
ebusiafo Allah Allah be kire say obo wiase nieme nyina obo mututu hwe kan
Quran chapter 51
Quran 51:49
verse 49
Quran chapter 51 verse 49
and of everything
we have created pairs nti just adie biara nyankopon waba me pair ya kasa a pair of scissors just scissors no eyemienu a pair of scissors eyemienu it say baako left and baako right sa na nyankopon kwaye bibia me pa cha scientific lie maybe some nimpa yawo bema yawo ba yemienu plant yawo reproductive yawo female reproductive plant and male reproductive plant where science ubem en contradict science wu say na nokre emboa yawo ma yawo mema but emboa no yawo emboa ni bi owa eyoba nko a beba bi ayede enka no na che say yebo no nko a eno ya lie ana afi so nyankopon ka say Quran no say nyankopon ka wo so bo wiase yema nyina tutu a another lie a wadi nkoso nie When so cape na wa gya living things so say ebia to say nipa emboa ene endua pe na wa gya ba so ma me nkyira wo Nyankopon oboapu ana aponya Nyankopon na boy
ono
wi ase ne me nyina na Nyankopon boy na epon kan ho epon kan ho me pa cha epon Nyankopon bo no 2 ana obo no 1
1
me bisam Nyankopon obo sky obo no 2 ana obo no 1 me se bisaw Nyankopon obo asebo asoro de me gitu mo obo no 7 happens into me bisaw epo obo no 2 ana obo no 1 me person bi kremoni bi na me ntia se yi me person kremoni bi ba tra me say Nyankopon no so obo ade bi atutu no obo epusu 2 na ba ko nie ba ko so wasa bi awe bia ana se bi ba ko okundum ana ba ko tulapu ana ba ko awudum amini epo ba ko nti ebusiafo eno no ena me kiro no a contradict science the science bi edu eche say we are seeing niam nyina tutu no even animals there are some animals omo ye single omo tu question no omo produce nti eno nanchan afi ye to aso Quran chapter 3 verse 59 Allah be kire ade a ode bo nipa menye Allah yenti Allah be kire ade ode bo nipa na ade ode bo nipa no problem ni na every prophet Muhammad because prophet Muhammad or an angel or a messenger information give another message in the Bible so when the letter mami so me fan koma enkranfo yene na me letter ni wa twa say enkran yene na dwen ye adwuma na me letter koma enkran na sabi prayer sa ni mpa na o letter no ono no problem anya me na me letter ye e ko ye no enti nkramofo nyina gitum say Injil Gabriel no Allah asma no de Quran mu nsem na de prophet Muhammad na se ye wunfum so ewo Quran mu a enye prophet Muhammad membo Injil Gabriel na ode message de de ba ye no ana se Allah na no so tu mi nim se Injil Gabriel de Yankopon ka kire no Allah ka kire no wanti ni ye ana se Injil Gabriel no bia we didi amen na ni wure fi bi because abono aye wure fi mi fi ade wuni ma da ko ma kire wo abofo no wure tu mi fi ade Nyankopon Allah abonja abofo ni ndi nti abofo no Allah entrust you ma how should Allah give them message na because according to Quran Allah obo Iblis perfect and Iblis kwaya aswodin because on trust na nko obo no so oye perfect baba ye perfect for the fact that Iblis anya perfect no obetuma so bofo bi so na bofo no so akoye de akwose na adwen nti anu nanchan afi Quran chapter 3 Quran chapter 3 verse 59 mistake a Quran ye we sa asem we or copy the Bible mu me ba kire no Bible there is no proof Bible ma bet me prove scientifically say Nyankopon ordinary bo nipa no Nyankopon fa na tie be amonipa Bible mu me kire wale bi Genesis chapter 2 Nyankopon for the tie nipa Genesis 2:17
Genesis chapter 2
verse 17
the verse 17
kind and verse 7 yam fa na tie Nyankopon ka se fa na tie nipa
okay Genesis 2 verses 8
verse
downwards
kind verse 7 kind verse 7
okay ne radi Nyankopon di form na tie nipa
Onyankopon di verse 7 no ka se form na tie nipa Ewurade Nyankopon di form na tie enwi onipa
na ohun kwam me egu ne minimu
na ohu nkwam me egu ne minimu
onipa ya okrati asefo
no nipa ba ye okrati asefo kan a kire se Nyankopon di form na tie na odu wi nipa ana ohu nkwam me egu nipa ne mu nipa na Nyankopon na tie bo no kra no ontumi nji adanse se ala no kra se na tie bi na ye de e bo no because me say bit way say ala bi na e bo mi ana na tie bo mi how do I testify Shade and you on the first person Allah abo Adam or be different person yeah she say Allah and the question between the tia go nipa kan
when you aso osle radi Nyankopon ye otrom ebi ewo edin mu
Ewurade Nyankopon ye otro obi ko edin mu
ewo epoyefo na odi onipa owi no tena ho
na Ewurade
Nyankopon ma nwia wodo nyina a wo hwa eyefe
Ewurade Nyankopɔn ma ndua wodoɔ nyinaa a wohwɛ yɛ fɛn.
Na ɛyɛ sɛ wodie.
Na ɛyɛ sɛ wodie.
Efifiri asase no so.
Efifiri asase no so.
Ɛne nkɔdua esituro no fimfini.
Ɛne nkɔdua esituro no fimfini.
Ne papa ne bɔne ho nimdeɛ.
Ɛne papa ɛne bɔne nimdeɛ dua.
Na esua bi efi ɛde bɛfa turo no.
Tra na bra tam wɔbɔ Eve no.
Okay, this is number 15.
Verses 15.
Na Ewurade Nyankopɔn do nipa no kodua ɛde nturo sɛ ɔndɔ no hwɛ.
Ewurade Nyankopɔn do nipa no kodu ɛdi nturo sɛ ɔndɔ no hwɛ no.
Na Ewurade Nyankopɔn hyɛ onipa no sɛ.
Na Ewurade Nyankopɔn hyɛ onipa no sɛ.
Turo ma nyinaa.
Turo ma nyinaa. Dibi.
Na papa ne bɔne ho nimdeɛ bi a.
Na papa ne bɔne ho nimdeɛ bi a no deɛ. Endi. Efiri sɛ.
Da wo bedi bi no.
Da wo bedi bi. Ogwo na obewu.
Na Ewurade Nyankopɔn ka sɛ.
Ewurade Nyankopɔn ka sɛ.
Ɛnyɛ sɛ onipa nkɔ tena.
Ɛnyɛ sɛ onipa nkɔ tena.
Mayɛ na sɛ so boafo mama.
Mayɛ onipa sɛ so boafo mama no.
Na Ewurade Nyankopɔn de dɔteɛ ɛwɛ ne wiram mu wadome nyinaa.
Nti Ewurade Nyankopɔn no ɔde dɔteɛ na ɔwe ne wiram mu wadome nyinaa.
Ɛne wiram mu nyinaa.
Me pɛ sɛ mekyerɛ wo mistake a prophet Muhammad yɛ ya. Yɛfɛ sɛ mistake Allah yɛfɛ sɛ Quran yɛ ya. Ɔkɔka sɛ Nyankopɔn de dɔteɛ na ɛbɔ nipa no mekyerɛ wo. Me Bible no mu me pɛ sɛ me ma wo te aseɛ sɛ even Adam koraa na Nyankopɔn bɔɔ na ɔbɛbɔ Eve na ɔte aseɛ no ɔnyɛ witness a wobɛtumi de adanse sɛ Nyankopɔn de dɔteɛ na ɛbɔ Eve kan.
Ɔsɛ na ɔde wɔn ba oni na ɔde wɔn ba onipa ne nkyɛn.
Na ɔde wɔn ba onipa ne nkyɛn.
Sɛ ɔbɛhu ne sɛ de ɔbɛfrɛ wɔn.
So be wuli sɛ ɔbɛfrɛ wɔn.
Na deɛ onipa no de fra abɔde ɛte ase biara.
Na deɛ onipa de fra abɔde ɛte ase biara. Ɛno ara ne din.
Na onipa to ntɔtebɔ nyinaa.
Na onipa to ntɔtebɔ nyinaa din.
Ɛne wiam nnuma nyinaa.
Ɛne wiam nnuma nyinaa.
Ɛne wiam nwɔdome nyinaa.
Ɛne wiam nwɔdome nyinaa ni.
Na so onipa deɛ.
Na so onipa deɛ.
Wɔnyɛ ne sɛ so boafo.
Wɔnyɛ ne sɛ so boafo ama no.
Na Awurade Nyankopɔn ɛma na wɔtɔ onipa.
Sie Nyankopɔn ɔde nate abɔ Adam ɔntumi nhu sɛ ɛyɛ ampa sɛ Nyankopɔn de nate na ɛyɛ dɛ. Ɛbɔ no. Afei ɔbɛbɔ Eve nso a ɔma Adam gyina hɔ. Na ka Adam yɛ witness sɛ ɛyɛ ampa sɛ Nyankopɔn ɔde nate na ɛbɛyɛ dɛ. Ɛbɛbɔ nipa hwɛ de ɔbɛyɛ kan.
Na Awurade Nyankopɔn ɛma na wɔtɔ onipa no so.
Nyankopɔn hyɛ daa ma Adam dae.
Na ɔdae.
Na
oyi nipa de mu baako.
Ana oyi nipa de mu baako.
Na ɔde nam tua ne mu.
Na ɔde nam tua ne mu.
Na Awurade Nyankopɔn de mpade oyi fi onipa mu no.
Nyankopɔn de mpade oyi fi onipa mu.
Ɛyɛ ɔbaa.
Ade yɛ ɔbaa.
Na ɔde ne bla onipa no.
Na ɔde ne bla onipa no. Mmisa ɔkwahyɛ. Sɛ Nyankopɔn bɛbɔ Adam, na ɔnim sɛ sabi ɔbɛbɔ Eve a nka mpade na ɛsɛ ɔgye bi. Akyɛ sɛ onim, na ɔnim di later no ɔbɛbɔ nipa. Nipa no ɔbɛbɔ no ɛsɛ nka Adam yɛ witness because we are see sɛ na kura sɛ Nyankopɔn de natie bi na ɛbɔ nipa sɛ Adam yɛ witness because ɔbɔ Eve na Adam te ase ɔbɛbɔ Eve no na Adam te ase nti sɛ Adam yɛ witness sɛ Nyankopɔn de natie na ɛbɔ ofra n'ani wei mɛgye de agye di sɛ ɛyɛ ampa sɛ Nyankopɔn de natie na ɛbɔ nipa yɛnkɔ Quran 3 verse 59 tie
Quran 3:59
Quran chapter 3 verse 59
verily
may try scientific lies in the Quran verily
the likeness of Isa before Allah is the likeness of Adam
just say the Allah Adam tie no say na Isa so ye de tie in ewo ewurade ni hwe we ye ka say ye check here we will say there are a lot of differences between Adam and Isa but there are some similarities in the kind.
He created him from dust.
Or can one wasn't or can Adam say Adam dear or born from dust. But or see the likeness of Isa is the likeness of Adam. Me pacha Adam na you born with dust no. Isa is born with dust no. Isa he was born and Adam was created. There is difference between I was born and there is a difference between I was created. Oh, yeah. In the context Allah used to say the likeness of Isa about creation it is wrong.
He created him from dust.
He created him, Adam, from dust.
Then he said to him, Be. And he was.
Trust me.
This is the truth from your Lord.
Not just say, somebody every Allah and Gabriel and Prophet Muhammad. I say Allah or the dust, dust not the wall. Onipa accepted. Maybe some question. Scientific school event. And the actually said, the next year, I know a lot of graduates will watch this book, will watch this video. Maybe say, Minya Islamic scholar, I say, science prove, Quran say, the next year, what kind of book is this? It's we a nipa who go school. Science students, graduates, now also go school when we say Quran, scientific evidence or what you say no scientific evidence and natural say Allah didn't brother why sir Majini Yejuma CSF camp sabi previous sabi aha sawadwen no battery ni mu kura ya the battery betum we are say charge ama na duro battery ama free yanjo hwe a free education Quran no me ade am ye Quran e wo Ghana ha mo bati minka ya to aso Quran the same verse Quran chapter 15 verse 26 kan no to
Quran chapter 15
ma prepare point ma prepare topic no Quran and me tell scientific lies ma kuma ko 10 e wo Quran kan
Quran 15:26.
Quran 15:26.
And indeed, we created man from dry clay of uttered mud. Into me sao. Aha. So should I say, we created man from dry clay. Dry clay. Into natia awu ana fancy clay awu ana Allah audible nipa. Kremofo say there is no scientific lie in the Quran. Into me person be sao say. Sa Quran na o kira say nipa ya de natie na e born no science gitum say no kre say nipa ya de natie science e be tia na say no kre nipa free the tiem and scientific research ben na obi aye discover say previous time ana e bi e 10,000 years ago it is true say there is a man who lived and there is a God who created him from dust. Scientific proofs evidence. Don't forget, say science is the study. Science is the method of getting knowledge through observing things, observation, experimentation, and analysis. And you be experiment. So Quran just say you are not here going pa. You be experiment. Yes, you be experiment. Now you say pa and I say intro. Inti ebusia for when a scientific lie 1, you got scientific lie 2. Quran chapter where scientific lie 2 because my child and what you got scientific lie 3. Quran chapter 6 Quran 16:66. Quran chapter 16 verse 66. Yeah, Quran e be kan san bi afa milk na yenya free cattle it's a livestock milk na yenya free omo Quran e be kan asem afa cattle about milk no yentie the Quran e kan na mbisa say science editu man as science editu kan Quran 16:66.
Quran chapter 16 verse 66 kind
and verily
in the cattle
there is a lesson for you
kind cattle no Quran person o kire nipa say cattle no there is a lesson na e say nipa share a lesson kind
we give you to drink we give you to drink and
cattle no there is a lesson also man bibi say no kind
of that which is in their bellies.
We give you to drink of that which is in their bellies. Just a bibi cattle niyem. Sa ade na bu cattle niyem no. E wa say ya no twaso
from between excretions and blood.
From between excretions and blood. Say ade bi wo cattle niyem na sa ade no e wo cattle no in between ne sabe ne excretions ya ka excretions e bia dwonso anase boja bi dwonso anase ejanan between excretions and blood
pure milk
pure milk
one to drink it
pure milk Quran person a kire say pure milk na e wo nantwie yem no yenye no between excretions and blood me pacha no kure me bisa yenuanom scientist ya pese bisa mo say no kure say pure milk na munya wo ya fa say nantwie nufumu no between munya ne between nantwie ejanan ane ya fa say blood ni moja in between the blood and the feces me pese me bisa science be na kire sa de we say what go scientific school what go science e bia 3 years 4 years what go scientific degree now baba kire wo ma say nantwie nufu yenye mo ne janan in between the janan and the mojentem we Quran na ka kire yo o say Allah signature asen we Quran mu kra no ya preserve e we heaven ebusiafo anya me na be kire Quran wa ogubefu mobunfu Quran me ya Quran afi twaso scientific lies no too much na kan
from between excretions and blood
pure milk
palatable to drinkers
just say pure milk no it is palatable. You can be a palatable. Just say any wonoma mount or how be actually very good. We are recommending Allah recommending ama nimpa say wonoma ebeboa. No, be a science student be ala Nigerian milk it's a safe livestock animals livestock no no funzuo no as I say you different treatment mu enye mo bia you obi or normal ever serve as a medicine amano but wonoma ever affect ebe mo yade bebere enye mo bia but koran ne kase sadia no it is palatable just it is very good for you enye ma uni bebia no yes wonom na wa yes yanom no yanom ni je nunu for us where scientific lie today but when they were two nti we mienu we ma kira say koran no o enye no kre say na ntwie no for no yenya fi na janan ene ne moja ntem yenya ni in between the vasan the janan ene ne moja ntem and after so much say the Quran can say it is palatable for human being to drink no because no it is not good for everyone no enti ya to aso vasan scientific lie 5 Quran pa Quran chapter 6 ebusiafo enitie mu without any offense Quran ne be kan say bi hwe mesramu memfa mu abufu forget your education na openity wo ansane ye wo brempon
oh yeah
forget your degree na tie dem ekira wono what they we are the matter for education no compare say no kra obemu say me dada obemu yen CSF camp and CSF ye biamani
yeah
CSF ye biamani ye bia Ghana ni wiase ni ya chem say book ni man check ni ye Quran chapter 6 verse 142 to 144 kan na ba be
Quran chapter 6 verse 142
Quran 6 142
and of the cattle are some forbidden like camel as amas more
inti opposite child say and for the cattle no some are forbidden just say camel no ye de name be go omuso no waso akan
and some are small
and they be muso wa omusa and some are small
unable to carry burden
omusa no omuntumi soa anama say the efrum e fancy cattle camels so no kan
like sheep and goat for food
it say sheep any goat no omuntumi so na manity they are for food
meat
milk
and wool
just say nantwie ni nwan no nantwie ni nwan no omo ntumi so na manti omo wo for say e dia obekum bi na wedi na odi bi aye ehua de tsa twene na de na wenya fancy meat anam na waye kan
eat of what Allah has provided for you.
Inti didia Allah de amount. Eat of what Allah has provided for you.
And follow not the footsteps of Shaitan.
Inti with this embrana Allah de amount say dibina mendi obonsama na mwechi. Surely
he is to you an open enemy.
He just a Satan or a clear enemy to events nipa. Dakro match ra Quran numa nyankopon ma no mba kwan nyankopon ma no mba kwan say Satan ne ma no o metuma ye edu sometime no meja edu bebi a o metuma ye bebi na edu bebi so ma mo kwan Satan ne ma no ala baja to mo ya kakra na ha de mo ye kan
8 verse
kan last statement na san to surely
he is to an open enemy.
Satan is to us an open enemy.
8 verse
nyankopon person o say livestock no 8 pairs
of the sheep too
into obechire livestock no Allah say obo 8 pair no obechire of the sheep too
male and female
and
of the goat too
inti Allah obechire kwa of us obo livestock no say livestock no obo 8 no obo no sheep 2 male and female into 2 efrim kan
and of the goat too
and of the goat 2
male and female
another 2 efrim aka for to so say
as he forbidden the 2 males
the 2 males
or the 2 females
or the young
which the wombs of the 2 females enclosed inform me with knowledge if you are truthful and of the camels sister yenya sheep no goat of the camels to 2 male and female and of oxen
just say 2 male and female abasan and of oxen to 2
male and female
tie tina so to so
say
Say,
as if forbidding the two males,
as if forbidding the two males,
or the two females,
or the two females,
or the young,
which
the wombs of the two females enclosed,
which the womb of the two females enclosed.
Or were you present when Allah ordered you such a thing?
Oh, bisa said, oh, what time Allah or Casamana?
Then who does more wrong than one who invents a lie against Allah?
Then who does more wrong than the person who invents a lie against Allah? Into when the me, Boni bi eniwa e chen de bi ye se bia Allah aya de na memeti ya mi chase de Allah ya no enya sa neti wetin mi chase mi twa ntro e da to Allah so kan esi ana very good into ano ahana chere ye say Allah livestock obo e 8 kremofo mesram obi o se video ga mesram without any offense we me chere me pesa mala bi gigi na no fra me debate ade amaye no wu share. Well, kita smartphone biara. Me pacha after this video, sa contact with the man. Google say how many livestock do we have? And I say how many cattle do we have? We won't answer. We will Allah say 8. Book going to be here every year. This book cannot be going to be here divine. Allah wa ba dia wie, wa ba livestock bebre. Who we also go 8. Ebusiafo yasram yenwie yetwaso mo share video no mayen abrafo de Quran and the Bible ababo yesu dia wunyo bia ma na nkyiraw me kyiraw so abuafu mesram mo share video no na mo support dwumadie no wa person me kasa na wafre wo question bia fa send question no my friends is our question send no question no 0541175155 send on WhatsApp my answer. Oh, contribution so na wa frɛ no ma na wo frɛ no ma na no bakasa e bia mobile money no ma ba ma bibi kakra na da tuma ma na yetumi aboa na edwuma na akoso nkremofo na Christopher kora omo Allah all powerful Allah any God mpo sabe Allah ni ntumi mbo omo nya nkofo support e da ye edwuma and how much more yen na ye edwuma because of me na wo eyawo wo do nti se ba ya wo bati de beka na sinti na mesua ade abatema me kira sa na mawe nti mesram mo support me afumso bi enim one support problem bi edo wa kakra wo se mo betuma aboa no e kwan dem na wa boa na yetumi atwe tuwa ni so ebusuafo contradiction scientific line 6 and ebe koso no Quran chapter 13 verse 13 share Yankopon wa ba de bi ya fra na tender bulbs tender boat tender boat no yansha ade a Yankopon obo tender boat ni se enye e wo Quran mu wo ye menua kremoni ana wo ye menua kristonia me pa cha check na wo lia for large for wagin fagin wulia we me say scientific lie it wulia kwa ya research na she Jamaica no crowd be kan
and Arad that is tender glorifies and praises him into tender no e praise Allah to aso and so do the angels just say angel so say the tender boat e praise angel no say no so e praise Allah to aso because of his hour he sent the tender boat and therewith he strike whom he wills nti tender boat no Allah tender no ho opese okum nipa nipa no opese okum no na o the tender boat no aye den ekum no it is a scientific lie tender boat be kum obia tender boat kum wan it doesn't kill anybody o ba te say yes tender be asim na ekum obi no obi o say tender be fanoko hospital na ya report na ya fa ade ma tender no kum no ya fa test mla it is never true a scientific lie any baby as a tender na ekum Yankopon kum nipa adan he strikes whom he will. Yet they disbelievers. Just say, dispute about Allah. Just say, disbelievers. Allah Allah now or the tender striker now or the tender boat no the kum the anybody one shot said menjo Quran the measurement it is never true true and no correct a scientific lie scientific research prove be obi no wire hospital say tender and they see you na yaman doctor report
Yaman hospital report said the jet course no a tender and how come? What kind of coconutsy book is this? Jan Twaso Ebusiafo. Check Ebusiafo. Koran de beka say that for shape. Check even one catch na back 12 years growing in kind. Quran chapter 12. Quran chapter 14 verse 32.
Quran 14:32.
Quran 14:32 kind.
Allah is he who has created the heavens.
Allah is he who has created the heavens. Heavens ye ni poor boy. It says Allah na boy ya. When they get into ya jatu to aso.
And the earth.
And earth is ye ni poor boy. Ya jatu Allah na boy to aso.
And send down water from the sky.
Inti Allah or send nsuo every sky ebebu earth. Ya no so ya jatu because enye ni ego nsuo nti to aso.
And thereby brought forth fruits.
And thereby brought forth fruits.
As provision for you.
As provisions for you to be provided in the end and the passage in the to.
And he has made the ship.
And Allah has made the ship
to be of service to you.
To be of service to you.
That they may sail through the sea.
That they may sail through the sea.
By his command.
By his command. Allah be your ship. Allah nema ship na musuo sa. Yetumi na musuo so. Where na se be ni? Brother no your ship. Onim say ship ni be nya space bi wo. Internal space. That internal space no. And yetumi ma ship no e float wo nsuo ni. Say Allah no command. And Emma you find saying ship esiri wo nsuo so. Fa na ka kire wo. Mo da mo ya ship kakra ma mo space. Na mo fa nkoto nsuo so. Sa Allah bi command ba ma ship na siria. Na nsuo so. No. Broni ene wa nyusi na again. Okay. Sala enema ship esiri wo nsuo so bi some question. Adentin na ship ni tua Titanic. Allah no way. When Titanic was sinking, where was Allah? Debbie enye no kre say Allah na ma. Debbie bro no ya ship no oyusu ni ansa. No musa no. Ade bia no wo fa rob mpo ade bia wo de betu nsuma wo de betu opposite sides. Enframa no nsuo no benya kwan ewo mframa no mu no ebema ade no asenke but se nsuo no nya kwan ewo mframa no mu a ebema ade no fruity. Don't tell me say it is Allah and ema ship eseli wo nsuo so. Who told you that? Enya Allah bia command na esa ade no enya no pre scientific lie. Twaso obaka se mi so. Sa some essential Quran chapter 17 verse 66.
Quran chapter 17.
Quran 17 66 obaka the same thing.
Verse number 66.
Verse number 66.
Your Lord is he who drives the ship.
Your Lord is he who drives the ship. Into Allah or person captain. Into say Saudi Arabia for some mobile Ghana. Allah no oti ship no na or drive mo no de mobile. Me pa chaw no kore. Kan.
Your Lord is he who drives the ship.
It is your Lord Allah who drives the ship
for you through the sea.
For you through the sea. Into mo nam. Brother Yakob. When I'm seeing you, Allah and not driving me. Pacha, we may be some no. Science is the method of getting knowledge through observation. So observe Bibia, Yadi and the action and the observing. Inti say the science check it there. Quran say ship Allah and Emma the command Emma ship and the sinking. And I say ship Saudi Arabia never Ghana Allah ne driving. Why the way we ship if Saudi Arabia Allah team our driving now? It is never true. A scientific lie. And you know, Naka ship is engaged. Naka, you're training captains in a moment ship is on driving. Allah better drive a ship in here. You're just a war. Now Allah on drive a ship number. No. Where you have to believe this because this one nobody will tell you to go and look for evidence. You just have to believe. No, we won't believe this. It is nonsense. Can't say Allah, man. Quran every prophet Muhammad. Now we know. Okay. All the for me some question. Time Allah. All the book Suma in Gabriel. So from the prophet Muhammad. Now why now? Witness. Witness. Why the head for make me some say no cry. Say in Gabriel by no shata by not saying. Minji we ni. Ube je jadi. Na untu mi mesha bisa minji. Quran chapter Quran the Bakasa star to meet it for. Quran chapter 81 verse 2. Share Ebusafo. They catch them. Me science, me a science student, but you found by social media. Me catch them. Star well, and yes, as no, no size and a star. Star back say ye be star, na say the assassin way shima. Ya the assassin be 10,000 beshim. Ebeko embe space aka. Quran the Bakasa started to meet say now better for me be some question. Mufia ya fan say plate a wudidi plate na wudidi wo fie no so obi ka tell say plate na wudidi wo fie mu no move edan batiti ato edan bati ato plate ni mu a me pa cha possible no edan na kasa na nkro bata branch bako vonya pe plate kwa ba pache it is never true sa star be kan mo munti
Quran 81 verse 2.
Quran chapter 81 verse 2.
And when the stars fall.
And when the stars fall. Stand there falling, stand there very falling. Stand there very falling. When we start are falling down. Science. Alarm say 1 year space, 1 go space. When you how omuko your friend say omuko wiem kwa hwehwe moon when study meteorology. When study say na no into onim stand to me to do from jar. It can never happen. So start to from this one. It would be a bad picture.
Oh yeah.
Now you book a book if alive. Science are ever proven the fact. Any evidence what the science what the Quran ever compare science. Now Quran is dependent science.
Baby.
Quran never science.
Oh yeah.
Quran is dependent science. Now Quran is dependent history. China match now historical lies. Quran contradictions in me.
Oh yeah.
May your Quran contradictions. May you know that was yesterday night. May part 1. May part 2. May part 3. May part 4. May part 5. Where you may part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. You hear me say historical lies. You hear me say logical lies in the Quran.
Oh yeah.
Any mathematical lies in the Quran. May you natural. May math be one. Tia. Quran de Bakase. Quran de Bakase. Area no. Ewo orbit. Ebusiafo. It is a scientific lie. Area be a new orbit. Sure. We one kind verse me. T verse no. We are material. How sort of sun, moon, any planet no. How it kind. Quran. Quran chapter 34 verse 40. Quran 36 40. There were a couple of verses, every other mankind in more verses. Quran chapter 34 verse 40, Quran 21 33, and Quran chapter 91 verse 1 and 2. Lina Bachelor say, Assassino, your first sun has an orbit. Lina Bachelor say, sun, you can orbit, orbit here. Adena, we don't say Earth, Namso, the 9 planets, any moon. Orbit na enam so no sa niama na enam so na erotate fa sa awoma no so no sa ade bi na enam wona omonam so no na e orbit kan
Quran 36 verse 40.
Quran 36 40.
It is not for the sun.
It is not for the sun
to overtake the moon.
To overtake the moon. Just say, and yes, sir, sun no, okopa moon no. Not just say, sun no kwan, and the moon zoom no kwan. But and says sun no moon no.
Nor does the night outstrip the day.
Just say day and night and so. Omona momo kwan so. And says night and so. A day ever pa night one, and as night ever pa day.
They all float.
They all float.
Each in an orbit.
Each in an orbit. It's just obiana no orbit so. It is a scientific lie.
Oh, yeah.
Your rotation of the axis, the rotation of the axis, no, and no matter day and night, and then Emma, you will say a poema and answer him, Mamma. Well, say, sun in the Earth, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Venus, and the moon, Omina, and the reality of our essay, a rolling, any orbit, a rolling say. Anna say, instead of say, moon no, face area anima. Na abamamu, moon go face area anima. Not just say, Mona, moon no ko face mu ebe reflect mu no mo ade asa no na moon na e reflect no ama mo light at the sign stinti na moon na wa na ayase baby ayaketwa na baby ayakese saa no saa na ekọ wo ye fa say sanu kola ne pato say ewia no nam ana sanu no nam na ensa say sanu no pa moon no me kira o say me ji kola no tuma ande ensesa ade achi na ensesa ade asa sa ade achi esa ade chi forever ade asa so esa ade sa forever fan say ade asa ine ade asa ewia ne ko munu ne ko 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 ensesa kwa sa because ensesa yenya day and necessary night because we na eko because of baako kwa na baako kwa na we kwa na ade achi na ade asa na ade achi na ade asa baako jino na baako rotate fa no but koran so we na wo ade o monam so it is never true and yet no correct it is a scientific lie intimate now it is either you accept the Quran and be believe in the fairy tales and reject the science science never prove evidence and the fact you reject it and believe your Quran me no problem. But say the Quran has scientific lie. It is either you accept say Quran Allah no onim science and no media to so say Allah onim science Allah ono obo bi ase there but onim science media to accept perfect because minimum driver otumi tuka but onim GS ni o kasa media to onim crutches onim na media to what can happen? Why Allah unlimited? Allah only science. Because Allah must know everything. The creator of this universe. When we don't know mobile phone, we go man only one of us here. No. We don't mobile phone. Only bibia, only sound light screen light in touch light in here. We processor IC, memory, and only bibia. Now Allah what we are saying. Scientific knowledge. We the good we science. For what? Quran chapter 21 verse 33 kind
Quran chapter 21
scientific license be go so tira won or be tira still or confirming Quran no yes or can one and be say be translated no why a mistake no or can be kind
Quran 21:33
you will get Muslims who will tell you say the sun has an orbit kind
and it is who has created the night
and it is he who has created the night
and the day
and
the sun and the moon
each in an orbit floating just a bia na orbit so say no David
David
hi the last verse na me catch am we bia na time in na yan Quran chapter 91 verse 1 and 2 and so can the same thing after Quran never can say moon a light well omuko tu ade no e wo Genesis 1:14 omu tu ade no prophet Muhammad me kan kra chawo enjiri Gabriel bia na yeden amma ne jan Quran no lady bi ya fra no waraka oye jiwini a wejai ni ne cousin ene Khadija prophet Muhammad negere no ono no kan story ni na kire no nti o kan story ne kire na ofrika bi mu pie na obeka stories no do na why you confused kan Genesis chapter 1 verse 14 kan no tie
Genesis 1:14 na onyakopo ka say
de tia Quran e show me say moon air light no on copy fi Genesis kan
na onyakopo ka say
enka ni ambre osuru ntremu no
na pa
ewia na nadwum
na yesenche
na me ade am die Bible kan na yesenche ne ane ebre enchichemu
ne nda ne fie na ye kan ye oso e woso ntremu no
na ye kan ya e woso ntremu no
na hye asase so
na enhyren e wasase so
na eyesa na onyakopo ye akane akase mienu
na onyankopon ye akane akase mienu
kane akase no se de wiaso ne kane aketwa no se
edi anadwe so ene ensorman so
na onyankopon de sisi oso ntremu no
na onyankopon e de kane sisi oso ntremu no mu
se
enhyren asase so nti oye kane kan tamoye light no kan tamoye light mu sun ene mu to kan bi
na Osna onyakopo ka say nka ne bloso ntremu na be ewia na nadwum
na mba pai ewia ena nadwum
na ya sanchene
ebra enchichemu
na ene fie
na ye kane
wo
na ye kanea wo so dremu
na ehya saso
na ehya asase so
na onyankopɔ yɛ kanea akɛse mi
na onyankopɔ yɛ kanea akɛse mienu
kanea akɛse no
sɛ na ewia so sɛ endi ewia so kyɛ sɛ sun enu bɛdi ewia no so kan
ɛne kanea ketewa no
ɛne kanea ketewa ɛne den
ɛne kanea ketewa no
ɛne kanea ketewa
sɛ endi anadwo so
sɛ endi anadwo so nti kanea ketewa no yɛ moon ɛno na ade san na aba sɛ de ade san yɛ ɛda wa amankɔfo light fɛfɛɛfɛ nti daadwe yɛ ne sɛ kanea no moon no ɛyɛ light mepa kyɛw the moon is not a light kan Quran verse no mikoti yɛ
Quran 21
no Quran chapter 10 verse 15 minkoti verse 5 minkoti yɛ kan
Quran 10:5
Quran chapter 10 verse 5 tie Quran de bɛka sɛ moon ɛyɛ light if you are mekyerɛ moon it is not light moon ɛyɛ light moon na ɛte sɛ ahwehwɛ sɛ akwadaa kita ahwehwɛ na ɔde ahwehwɛ no kyerɛ ewia ahwehwɛ ɛyɛ light but ewia ɛbɔ na sɛ wɔde ahwehwɛ no kɔ kyerɛ ewia na wototo dan mu a bɛn sɛ mirror no take reflection of the light na reflect wɔ dan no saa na moon ti kan.
It is he who made the sun.
It is he, Allah, who made the sun.
A shining thing.
A shining thing.
And the moon.
And the moon.
As a light.
As a light. Obo. Moon and light. Ewia na ba. Ana me kira no. Moon ne planet no. E rotate fa sun no. Into moon no. Se be face ewia n'anim a na ma light.
It take reflection.
Na take reflection. Na a reflecting. Na a mass light no. Na no just say moon a light. Quran na nka say a reflecting. Quran say moon no it is a light. No. Can verse me be. Quran 10
verse 5.
Quran 10:5 can.
It is he who made the sun.
It is he. Allah no ye sun.
A shining thing.
A shining just a sun or ye say shining a shining thing.
And the moon.
And the moon
as a light.
As a light. Just a moon or ye say light. Or ye moon no light say emma or ye moon no light. No moon na ye light a reflecting sun. Allah pa wabo wiase a we woni kwan o fa so o tuto ni wabo wiase akrakai amazing this world with scientific knowledge ko baka tell me say moon light what do you want to tell me shade Quran be ka say ewia no o bebi a ayo okoto well say we be dey time mistake we buy Prophet Muhammad at the time there is net science in the world. In Gabriel, stop. In Gabriel, managing a man like us all in channel. But Arabians are not really intelligent. Aya, also who say, Commissioning or intelligent, and I don't know if you a question. Sir, Commissioning, Eviano, everyone is a question to the war. Aya, Prophet Muhammad, say, Tetono, no money in the end say, assassin of a rotate you. Into one's idea, Chan, or say Eviana. Na adesa na kwahye ejire wo nti wonnima wadwen baye wo se atacha bi wejire wo ina ewia ne kwakwahye nti o ma dwen yo mo se ewia ne bom na ede nanti o mko bisa mko shedi ro ka tro kan Quran tere Quran ne beka wi ama kire wo e fa san je o mko bisa mko shedi ro kan Quran chapter 18 verse 86
Quran 18
Quran 18:86 ọbẹ̀tẹ̀ sẹ́ sàn no ẹ̀wọ̀ bèbí àyà ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀stì kyẹ́ sàn no bẹ̀yẹ edwuma na paa adébẹ̀ sàn na abẹ̀rẹ̀ na ọkọ̀ rẹ̀stì wọ̀ bèbí ọwọ̀ bèbí à ọ̀fìrí na bèbí ọkọ̀ rẹ̀stì no the sàn no ẹ̀wọ̀ one place ẹ̀nkọ́ bèbí ala ẹ̀yẹ sè na ẹ̀wọ̀n ẹni sè ẹ̀hyẹ̀hyẹ̀ bi na ẹ̀wọ̀n ẹni sè ẹ̀rọ bàbá 55 years ago yà na scientist bi kọ́ discover sẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀ hyẹ̀ bi a sàn ni hyẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ sàn kò wí ase ní ẹ̀mẹ̀ yìí na bẹ̀ kan ní ọmọ ntiẹ̀. Quran 18:86 until
when he reached the certain place of the sun.
When he reached the certain place of the sun,
he found it a certain in a spring of black magic.
He found it certain.
He found it certain.
He found it certain. Can you verse you?
Until when he reached the certain place of the sun.
When you born okan wasam no, okan Alexander the Great wasam dul konin, oko du baby a twaso.
He found it certain in a spring of black muddy water.
Inti ogomu said, "Son no, akwa settle ewo black muddy water." Ana me ka che mo. Wo say no munim, we are see the channel. Inti ayana we ni yera wo. Aya say bo say na yotum na sa ade ba san bo say we ma yotum be 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock no. Na bo say we na ko hye adi baby wo hwe wa betumi se go se ayakọ to ma bi say so hye bi anase atache bi na o ina ewia ne kwa den e ko hye no mu ni di exercise baba ma yeda kwa cheke ena ebu kola ne mu no se ala na eka ala wa bo wiase a onim scientific knowledge say ewia ne ko bebia na ewia ne gina fa ko na asase mo na etwa ne mu hia ena ewia na nante na akọ aba ya fa last one on one na ya ntwa so ya ko mesi contradiction nyama ma kira wo Quran wewu wesu bi betre ewia no movie ewia na ka say movie Quran chapter 36 verse 38 kan ni fa imedi ni be Quran 36:38 Quran be ka say ewia ni movie ma kira Quran say orbit 1 Quran ni oni orbit bia Quran ni orbit e fa say mo be Quran ni orbit ewia no Euzavo, Besramu, Adena, Casara City, Besramu, Eviano, any orbit, kind.
And the sun runs on its fixed course.
And a sun runs on its fixed course.
For a term appointed.
For a term appointed.
That is the degree of the Almighty.
That is the degree of the Almighty. Just say, can you?
And the sun runs on its fixed course.
In the sun, or when the baby or running far in the first course, so
for a term appointed.
Now, our go do baby appointed, and our baby Allah appointed.
That is the degree of the Almighty.
Yes, I am going wide. Watch no. Sun and running go baby in one place. The sun doesn't have an orbit. The sun doesn't move. Sun is not going to rotate. It's a ball now. Or you see, no, sun doesn't move. This is little scientific proofs. Scientific lies may prove ewo Quran mu enably. Yadamasi, ejuma na yeye naso. Sama mpoye ya yentumi. Dakatram. Ya no, it is better. Say you beg for support because see the eye one you beresi. You get bundles you to enema yasramu. Yenye biso ya ba sankwan yasramu mumboyen ya desrede enesa mumboyen ya mbeka nkyira wo se boyen ewurade be hyirawo ya fa ewurade din bi embebu enjin sika ya fa ewurade din enkwa ya maame a wakobre enko gina kwa enko share speakers enka nkyira se onyi bi mbebu ewurade adwuma me pa cha ewurade all powerful enyame na se bi bo na adwuma eyemi ni pa na me yale me tada me ho ba kire me me suafre me se me nua na mumbo ami ebusafo yasramu mumboyen na bills ene ne bi etumi support yenya ne bibia ye bia ne etumi da tudwa ye nua ne bia support e me ye du sa pepre so yesra mo boyen na ne manketikiti bi enya ye etumi afford na ye ntoa dwumadie no so ne de bia ye etumi aba life ye nua Abraham Dodu ye da wase you did amazing thing this morning and pay oboyen pa ama ye sak ye nya bandra ye betumi use be 1 month almost 400 Ghana cedis otoman ye denase answer da kwa na santi waboye bebre yanka na ye etiafo waboye bebre ye da wase wonso bebe wo bia ye chiao ba fo jan ofiti boye ye de waboye kakra e de bedu sa pepe so ye da wase ye de sa pepe yase Kofi Babu Donko ene e fa sen Ahmed Farah ene benifo bi ntumi nka mu ina wo Obasefo me pachaw me ko obaso mo yiye me omu treat me good because I'm a CF7 member omu treat me good o ma me baby die o ma me duane di ye omu che me kama obasefo mo wo fitafo no Kofi wo fa fitafo no mo wo boase me chiro bia Kumasi magazine mi chechi amu e de ya ye business for anti omu ye no ho na e bo hye ye chia mu ina ye chia akrafo konkomafo nimafo ashama youth obi bia metuma mboni di ene ho a mo share dwumedie no nso ye chiachia mu na wen ye chia mu na aboa ama dwumedie no ebi sa prempreso yi views no do so kama nti ma me bombode na me hwe na me ma shout out Franklin Nana bile chiao ena me chia ye fa sen Israel views no me okay. Michia obi bia mesram obi a ohye bia on comment na ye hu be bia ohye aya mo comment na metumi hu na mama mo shout out ana ode de obi ase samaboa maboa na yegu so ehwe dwumedie yesra mo ye obi wo wasada de na mi humudin no nti medam ase mi chi obi bia mi do obi ase mo share video no obi an share video no mo share video no ko akire ochena echena so ye the different topic ebeba nti echena pa ye besa ba life na ye be bieja ye be oman no ese ye oman ye the nsama e for oman no baba echena pa na ya baka wasam iwi a enimbre say ya the Bible and Quran teachings no so aye aba from this week there mama Quran na so aye shekra next week na ma Bible no so me so malam phone bi yetuno mo yetuno ya mama na bi a chance mo so bia ya ma so for bi a chance mo so bia this is CSF camp Sajina Yejuma Sajina Yejuma Ajini ba Yejuma one time yes aha ye nyansa fie Sajina wukura the battery betum amana Yejuma ya da mase ye chi obi biala nti ebusuafo monje
Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water.